don't know if it's TV. It's fast.
No, it might happen soon. It's still not coming up yet. I know.
He's on the phone.
It's still not coming up. Oh, there it is now. There it is now.
2023, effective until 2:50 p.m. This is a nationwide test of the emergency
State wildlife affected by
agency covering the United States from 2:20 p.m. to 2:50 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
There we go. And there we go, the Spectrum Emergency Alert System Details channel. This is what you see probably when an EAS alert is finished, but yeah. There it goes. This was a moment I've been waiting for like 5 years. Now, I got to record it, finally. But yeah. Let's see what happens now. There it goes, it's back now.